to move Chris. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with him today. I think I'm gonna stick him in the blinds because I saw that little thing sticking him in the blinds. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with him today. Yeah, I am tired. I've been working like 6 days straight and I'm tired. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do with Chris today. I'm trying to think, but I really think that that's what we're gonna do with him today, is stick him in the blinds or either put him in the tree. Or I can take him upstairs. That way he can get closer to my son and my son can see him. So I can take him upstairs. Because I also have an idea for tomorrow, or for tomorrow. I saw on Instagram, the lady took a picture. My son has like this old phone that originally was my daughter's. So he plays with it or whatever. He has like his games or whatever. And him and Chris is gonna take a picture. And then Chris will come back downstairs and sit back on the counter with the phone, and it just shows the picture that they took together, and it'll be like, we took a great selfie together. So I think that's what we're getting ready to do. So let's go get Chris down from the ceiling fan, because if you guys know, that's where he was yesterday, on top of the ceiling fan. So let's get him down. All right, we got Chris down. Let's hang out, Chris, and see where you're gonna go. Because I really don't know if I want you to go in the blinds, because I need some sunlight. So we have to figure out where you're gonna go. Hang out. Are you not gonna hang out, Chris? Okay. Well, just sit there. Ooh. Okay. So I think I'm gonna take him upstairs. That way he can get closer to upstairs. And I think I'm gonna sit him in my son's room. Or I could put him in the box to Santa. Oh, what is your problem? Do you need food? Okay, we'll get you food. Oh, I could put him on the sleigh. That would be cute. Because you guys remember I have this sleigh here. So we could put him on the sleigh. Let's see. Here. So there's Chris. He's on the sleigh, having a sleigh ride. Chilling with the homies. So we officially moved Chris for the day. And that's it. I got to go do some laundry. And then I'll come back later. Peace. Guys, I am still deep cleaning. I don't know, I went through this phase where I was depressed and I really wasn't doing much. So I kind of let my house get out of control. So now I'm paying the price for it, because now I have to get everything back the way I want it to be, I guess. Like, it was clean, but it wasn't clean to my likeness. So now it's like I'm going through everything with like a fine-tooth comb and getting everything the way I want it. So I'm in my kitchen today. I decided to vlog my kitchen, considering I didn't vlog yesterday when I decided to rearrange my whole entire house. But it is pretty. I will show it to you guys, because it is pretty the way that I had it, or the way I have it now. So it's very pretty. So yeah. So now I'm just cleaning out my refrigerator and getting my glass and stuff clean. So when I go grocery shopping tomorrow, everything is already clean and ready for me. I lost my towel, y'all. I had to go get it. Alright. So yeah, just cleaning, getting the way I would like it. Yeah. I actually enjoy cleaning. That's how I know I'm getting older. Because when I was younger, I hated cleaning. Mom, go clean. Girl, you go clean yourself. But now, it's like a therapy. It's a therapy. I'm like a kid at the candy store, I guess you could say. Because I love it now to a certain extent. I still hate doing laundry. So nothing has changed with that. Absolutely hate doing laundry. See you guys right there. So you guys see Chris over there? You can see him in the background. As you can see, I don't mind washing dishes, but it's the putting up the dishes for me. I hate putting them up. I wash them all day, but when it comes to putting them up, I'm just like, who's gonna put them up? Like, who's gonna put them up? Not me. Is that where I want this? I'm trying to figure out if that's where I want it. I think it's supposed to be down under the notch. We'll leave it there for now. We'll leave it there for now. Does my milk fit up here? No, so we do have to bring it down a notch because the milk don't fit. Okay, there we go. The milk still don't fit. Alright, so let's bring it down to here. Ugh, don't break my eggs. Alright, that should definitely be low enough. Yeah. And then my eggs are right there. Okay. So we've done that. I have deep cleaned my refrigerator. It looks pretty. So now all I have to do is the doors, which I really don't feel like doing the doors today. The door today. I'll get around to it tomorrow because I still have to go finish folding up laundry. So I'll get around to the door tomorrow. I just wanted the inside clean, and I still have to wash out the containers and put them back. So yeah, I'll get around to doing the doors probably tomorrow because I know I'm gonna have to throw some things away that's in the doors because it's probably past that stage. So I'm gonna have to be right. I'll be right. Someone was calling. But yeah, see, I have to wash these things out because they get so dirty. So I try to keep them washed as often as I can. As often as I can. See? Now it's nice and clean. It's nice and clean. Now I just have to dry it out. And then I have to do the other one. And then that'll probably be it for the deep cleaning as far as the refrigerator goes. That'd be it. That would absolutely be it. Like I said, I'll probably get to the drawers probably tomorrow because we actually have to go to an event here in a little bit. So, yeah. It's all nice and clean. And those they don't get that dirty. See, like this one, it's just the red stuff, like juice spilling from where the kids is getting juice and not putting the lids back on it properly. Like, it's stuff like that. So I try to clean them as much as I possibly can. I want my house to be clean. You know, I wish I had carpet in my living room that probably would be a little easier than mopping, because I don't hate mopping, but I don't feel like my floors get clean when I mop. No matter how I mop, what I mop with, I don't feel like it gets clean. So, like, that's my issue. I don't feel like it gets clean the way I want it to be clean. Like, I want it to be where I can see my face. And I don't feel like it gets that clean. So, yeah. See? And just like that, we have another clean. Wash off the back of it. Where did my sponge go? Did it fall down? Y'all, I am forever losing my sponge. Like, where did it go? I don't know. Oh, here we go. In my face. As the old people say, if it was a snake, it would have bit you. No. I just saw a snake. Because I'm scared of it. So I would have definitely saw it. Because I'd have ran for my life. So I would have saw the snake. You guys, I am so happy with this. It came out. Well, I said came out like I made something. But look, it's clean. It's very, very clean. So I'm happy. The laundry, you see me doing it. I'm tempting to do it.